continue the chapter 3, a meal deal. Before that, children, shall we see the sight words? Yes? Okay. Children, do you all remember those 5 sight words that we learned in the previous class? We will recall it quickly, okay? Jump, down, live, find, little. Now we'll move on to the sight words, okay? Look, L-O-O-K, look. Bean, B-E-E-N, bean. Part, P-A-R-T, part. Other, O-T-H-E-R, other. Work, W-O-R-K, work. Now we'll move on to the chapter 3. Okay, children? Today we are going to see about farm animals. Children, you know what is meant by farm animal? Farm animals are animals that are kept for agricultural purposes. This include domesticated animals such as cow and chicken. Farm animals are kept for agriculture purposes. Children, you know what is agriculture? Agriculture is where we get rice, wheat, fruit, vegetables. We get all these through agriculture farming. Okay, so what is a part of animals to be in agriculture? Animals like cow, buffalo, donkey, or these can carry heavy weight. So they are used in agriculture. Likewise, small animals or birds, hen, duck, eats insects and bugs, which keep the plants healthy. Okay, children? Some farm animals are more useful and profitable. They provide milk, egg, wool and meat for humans. Yes, children, some farm animals are more useful. Okay, they provide milk, egg, wool. Which animal provide milk, egg, wool and all? Which animal gives milk? Cow. Cow and goat. Am I right? Okay. Which animal lay eggs? Hen. Yes, children? And which animal gives wool for us? Wool. Yes, sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Meat for humans. Yes, the animals give their flesh for humans to eat. Okay, children? Now, we'll move on to the farm animals. See this picture, children. These are called farm animals. Okay, rooster. Rooster is a male cock. Okay, and likewise we have a female cock also. Let's name it as hen. Okay, children. So rooster, chicken, cow, pig, donkey, rabbit, duck, sheep, horse, goat, dog, cat. These are all farm animals. Now we'll move on to the exercise part. Okay, children? Fill in the missing letters. See this picture, children. See the picture and you have to fill the missing letters. Clear, children? See the first image. What it is, children? It is a cow and it is a farm animal, right? Okay. What is the spelling for cow? See, some letters are missing here, right? C dash W. What is the answer? O. O is the answer. C-O-W, cow. O. Write O in the dash. Clear, children? And we move on to the next image. What it is, children? It's buffalo, right? So what is a buffalo spelling? B-U-F-F-L dash. What letter is missing here? A and O. B-U-F-F, A should come in the first dash and L-O should come in the second dash. Okay, children? Buffalo. And see the third one. It is a duck. Yes, children? So, find out the missing letter. D dash. What should come? U. D-U-C-K. Duck. Okay, children? Children, I've written the answers. Okay, copy it in your book or in your notebook. Okay, children? And fourth one, what is the image is? The animal image, goat. So goat spelling is G-O-A-T, goat. O should come in the first dash and A should come in the second dash. Okay, children? Goat. See the fifth one, hen. Hen. Okay. H-E. E should come. H-E-N. Hen. And final one is horse. The horse spelling is H-O-R-S-E. O and E is the answer. O should come in the first dash and E should come in the second dash. Horse. Okay, children? And now we'll move on to the animal sound. Okay, children? Now I'm going to play a video. Okay, I'm going to play a video for you. Children, listen to the video carefully. With this video, you're going to do one exercise. Okay, children?
The cat goes meow, 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 meow. The dog goes woof, 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 woof. The mouse goes squeak, 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 squeak. And the fly goes buzz, buzz, buzz. The horse goes neigh, 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 neigh. The pig goes oink, 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 oink. The sheep goes ba, 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 ba. And the cow goes moo, moo, moo. These are the animal sounds. These are the animal sounds. The hen goes cluck, 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 cluck. The duck goes quack, 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 quack. The sparrow goes chirp, 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 chirp. And the turkey goes gobble, gobble, gobble. The elephant goes trumpet, 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 trumpet. The gorilla goes grunt, 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 grunt. The hippopotamus rumbles, rumble, rumble, rumble. And the lion goes roar, roar, roar. These are the animal sounds. These are the animal sounds. The whales they sing, 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 sing. The walrus groans, groan, groan, groan. The seals go bark, 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 bark. And the seagull goes squawk, squawk, squawk. These are the animal sounds. These are the animal sounds. The owl goes hoot, 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 hoot. The parrot goes screech, 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 screech. The crow goes caw, 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 caw. And the cuckoo goes coo, coo, coo. goes squeak, 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 squeak. The hog goes grunt, 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 grunt. The donkey goes haw, haw, hee, haw. And the zebra goes whinny, whinny, whinny. These are the animal sounds. These are the animal sounds. The hyena goes laugh, 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 laugh. The snake goes hiss, 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 hiss. The coyote goes bark, 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 bark. And the wolves go howl, howl, howl. The guinea pig squeaks, squeak, squeak, squeak. The frog goes ribbit, 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 ribbit. The squirrels go chatter, 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 chatter. And the bees go buzz, buzz, buzz.
I hope you understood and enjoyed the video. Children, you saw the video, right? Now, there are few questions from this video. Okay, with this video, you have to complete the exercises. And this is your classwork. Okay, classwork. Write the sounds that animals make. Okay, this is a question. Hear the video and answer the question. Complete the exercise. Okay, children, this is your classwork. And we move on to writing. Writing with hints. Look at the picture of an elephant. Use hints and complete the sentences. Okay, children? First one is an elephant is dash. The hint is color. What is the color of an elephant, children? Black or grey, right? So the answer is an elephant is black or grey. Okay, children? Second one, an elephant has a dash nose. The hint is size. What is the size of an elephant nose? Long, right? An elephant has a long nose. Third one, an elephant has a dash tail. Children, the hint is size. What is the size of an elephant tail? Short, right? So the answer is an elephant has a short tail. Fourth one is an elephant has dash legs. Hint is number. Children, count the elephant legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs, right? So the answer is 4. An elephant has 4 legs. Fifth one is an elephant has dash tusks. The hint is number. See, count the tusks, children. 1, 2. So the answer is 2. An elephant has 2 tusks. Sixth one, an elephant is dash, big or small. But a mouse is dash in size, small or big. See this picture, children. The elephant is big or small? Big, right? So the answer is big. But a mouse is dash in size. Mouse. It's small in size, no? So the answer is small. Tick small and write small in the second dash. Okay, children? The answer is the elephant is big, but a mouse is small in size. Okay. Okay, children, I'll stop here. Now I'm going to give one homework for you. The homework is worksheet 1. Rani and her friend Reshmi visit the zoo. Name any 4 animals they will get to see. See, children, this is the picture and this is a zoo. Rani and Reshmi went here and they seen some animals here, and you have to find out that 4 animals. Children, I hope you understood and enjoyed the video. Even I enjoyed a lot. Okay, children, I'll meet you in the next session. Bye-bye.